and rewards. Governance Now presents the fourth Digital Transformation Awards. These awards to the leaders and through these awards, we are acknowledging the leaders, their contribution to the society, and their own outstanding journey. Yeah. It takes relentless efforts to one, render the desired information transformation to any particular project. Similarly, it is for our winners today, years of toil and hard work that not only secured them the desired outcome for the product, for the goal, but also have been crucially impactful in citizen lifestyle. The fourth Digital Transformation Award is one such initiative to felicitate the innovation, hard work, and dedication. To present this, may I now request Sri Kailashnath Adhikari to join us in the screen to do the honors of felicitating our winners today. We welcome you, sir. May I introduce him, a new age director, Kailashnath Adhikari. Mr. Kailashnath Adhikari is an Indian Managing Director of Governance Now, Sri Adhikari Brothers Enterprise. He is presently looking after and managing the business of the digital publication Governance Now and responsible for creating new vertical digital ventures and capacity building seminars. Under the brand Governance Now, Kailash pioneered numerous initiatives which have been recognized by the whole community. He has steered Governance Now to become a name to reckon with in the political circuit. Recently, Governance Now celebrated its 10th anniversary and enjoys a credible reputation amongst its readers. Most importantly, the Governance Now India PSU case book was well received by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi. Kailashnath Adhikari is an Indian Director of Happy Digital and Broadcasting Network Private Limited, a Sri Adhikari Brothers Group enterprise. He is actively involved in expanding the Wings content production business. Mr. Kailashnath is a part of the second generation and entrepreneurs from the Sri Adhikari Brothers subgroup family. Happy Digital produced a movie called Dheep Patangi in 2020, which is streaming on Disney Hotstar. He was an ex-Government of India official having experience of working with the erstwhile Planning Commission of India. At the young age of 23, he was in the office of member Planning Commission, Dr. Narendra Jadhav. He, along with the entire office, was managing and looking after the affairs of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Labor and Employment, Social Justice and Empowerment, and states of Tamil Nadu, Goa, and Bihar. The Economic Times has also featured him as one of the young guns working in the erstwhile Planning Commission of India. Mr. Adhikari is the business head of TV Vision Limited, Sri Adhikari Brothers Enterprise, as the business head of the group's broadcasting arm. He is responsible for managing the day-to-day affairs of the group. So may I now request Sri Kailashnath Adhikari to join us on the screen and to do the honors of felicitating our winners today. We welcome you to, sir, Mr. Kailashnath Adhikari, Managing Director, Governance Now, Sri Adhikari Brothers Group.
Thank you so much, Purnima. Thank you. Thank you for the warm welcome and a very warm welcome to all our dignitaries and all our awardees who are present.
So as we move on and announce the awards for the day, I would like to highlight a few words on the process of finalizing on our awardees, award categories and others. Governance Now 4th Digital Transformation Award is diligently organized with seamless selection of their expert based on nomination filed with detailed reports. The awardees have been judiciously decided upon. Moving on to the awards category, as we begin the Leadership Award. The Leadership Awards are token of appreciation and thankfulness to implementing expert bureaucrats whose decades of persistent efforts for giving different shapes of transformation for projects intended for upliftment of government public delivery service and easing of citizen lifestyle. To begin with, our first Leadership Award for the day goes to Sri Dr. R.S. Sharma, CEO, National Health Authority, for his extensive contribution in public service delivery. His leadership in integration of COVID-19 vaccines through CoWIN app is an exemplary initiative towards upgradation of the vaccination process in the nation. Many congratulations to Dr. R.S. Sharma, CEO, National Health Authority. The second leadership award. The second leadership award of the day goes to Dr. Neeta Verma, DG NIC, for her leadership for setting up technology platform MyGov for citizen engagement and cloud sourcing. With her 3 decades of experience in the field, she not only added value to the organization's mandate, but also enabled it to achieve several milestones.
Thank you. I am honored to receive this prestigious award, and I thank Governance Now India for recognizing my contribution in this field. Upholding the vision of our founder Director General Dr. Seshagiri, we at NIC have been successful in developing and deploying digital platforms and services for almost every sector of development, be it agriculture, education, health, social welfare, food and public distribution, transport, finance to law and justice. Through these platforms, we have been able to touch millions of lives every day. And this is the passion that drives us to do better and better every day. I dedicate this award to my colleagues at NIC for their exemplary contribution to digital solutions to support flagship initiatives of the government. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
The third leadership award goes to Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, IT, Electronics and Communication, for his extensive service in transforming IT scenarios in Telangana government. The DTS Award, DTS Leadership Award for transforming IT scenario in the state of Telangana goes to Shri Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, IT, Electronics and Communications Department, Government of Telangana.
For considering me for this honor. I'm also delighted that I'm taking this award virtually, but I'm in a office room where my minister, Honorable Mr. K.T. Ramarao, and many of my colleagues are present. So I'm very happy to share this joy and happiness with them. In many ways, the award also goes to all of them, because without my minister's backing, support, guidance, and vision, whatever we have achieved in Telangana in the last 7.5 years would not have been possible. It is a fact that we have achieved multiple milestones in this small period, which is very, very remarkable. We came out with our first IT policy in 2015. We updated it and came up with the second version just a few months ago. But most importantly, while the policies look good on paper, much action has also happened on the ground. And that is where we have built a very strong reputation of being a state which adopts technology very fast, which collaborates with the private sector, with startups. And most importantly, I still remember when we were drafting our first policy, our chief minister had told us that all these policies, all these programs that we do must be targeted at the most commonest person of the state. So that is the mantra that we have always followed. And I'm very glad that the good work that we have done in Telangana is recognized today. I very humbly receive this honor. Thank you very much.
Many congratulations, Sri Jayesh.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
And you mentioned that
it's been a pleasure and honor.
In the presence of the Honorable Minister KTR, you're receiving this award. So in his leadership, Telangana state is touching new height in the field of IT and communication. Many congratulations to you, to the minister, and to the state of Telangana.
The state of Telangana is an example of how IT innovation can actually lead the way forward in terms of true governance. Thank you so much, sir.
So our next leadership award goes to Shri Manoj Kumar Mishra, Secretary, Electronics and IT Department, Government of Odisha, for conceptualization and full-scale implementation of public service delivery, Odisha 1.
Thank you. This is Sohan Notial, So I'm taking this opportunity to take this award on behalf of our Sri Manoj Kumar Mishra, IT Secretary, Odisha. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for joining us. Many congratulations.
Moving on to the next leadership award goes to Shri Golak Simli, Chief Technology Officer, Passport Seva, Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, for contribution to government sector in the area of digital transformation, innovation, public policy, and e-governance. Many congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. And I really feel honored to receive the leadership award from Governance Now. Governance Now, as I always know, is raising issues related to public life, which are vital to the masses at large. I also sincerely thanks the jury, Sri Kailash Nath Adhikari ji, and the entire team for bestowing this award to me. At the last, I must thank my management, my colleagues who has, and of course my family who has supported all along and during this entire journey to do much more for the public life and masses at large. So thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Your contribution is much appreciated. Thank you.
Many congratulations, sir. So moving on to award categories for central government agencies. Award for digital transformation in governance goes to CDEC Mumbai for their project M-Seva App Star. This award for digital transformation in M-Governance goes to CDEC Mumbai for their project M-Seva App Star.
Thank you very much for choosing us. Actually, it is our pleasure that we are offering this service to the citizens of India under Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is the Mobile Seva platform along with the App Store now, which is available for all the developers to host their applications and have India's own App Store. Thanks a lot, Governance Now. And I would also like to thank my colleague who is joined right now in this panel also, who is Kapil, and the complete CDAC Mumbai team who is working on it. I would also like to thank Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for providing us this opportunity to provide these services to the citizens. And of course, thanks to all the juries for giving us this opportunity and honor. Thanks a lot. We all are honored with this. Thank you.
Thank you. Many congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Many congratulations.
Congratulations. So, award for digital transformation in G2G service goes to NIC Akola for their project framework for e-governance of fundamental resources, electricity, water.
Thank you. Thank you, Governance Now and all its team members for organizing such a wonderful technological conference. And thank you for choosing NIC Akola for the award. I'm also thankful to NIC to give scope to NIC Akola to think and work on innovations. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Many congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Many congratulations.
Digital Transformation Award in G2B service is presented to CDAC Noida for the project Online Solution to MSIPS scheme of Government of India. Digital Transformation Award in G2B services is presented to CDAC Noida for the project Online Solution to MSIPS scheme of Government of India.
Purnima, maybe we can go ahead.
And the next award, Digital Transformation Award in G2C Service, is presented to National Institute of Open Schooling for their project Student Database Management Information System.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for choosing NIOS National Institute of Open Schooling under the category Digital Government to Citizen. I accept this award on behalf of our chairperson and all our dignitaries and all HODs of NIOS, and we will try to keep our aim high to serve the citizen of India through our system.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Many congratulations, Naveen ji. Thank you.
Now, Digital Transformation Award and State Data Center presented to IT, Electronics and Communication Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh for the project AP State Data Center.
Good evening all. Thank you. I thank Governance Now jury for selecting AP State Data Center for this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Many congratulations.
Digital Innovation Award for Healthcare Training presented to State Health Agency Kerala for the project integration of Karunya Benevolent Fund with AB PMJ.
Thank you, Mr. Tara Sanjari and the Governance Now team for selecting us for this award. Actually, Karunya Benevolent Fund is a novel initiative from the Kerala government side. And actually, we are getting we are raising the money from our lottery services, and we could able to converge it into a totally digital platform. And thank you for considering for this award. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Many congratulations.
So, Digital Transformation in G2C Service presented to Personnel and Administrative Reform Department, Government of West Bengal, for the project West Bengal Integrated COVID Management System App and WhatsApp Bot. Digital Transformation Award in G2C and G2G Service presented.
Yeah, I'm VP Gopalika, Addition Chief Secretary, looking after Home Department as well as the Personal Department. So this particular integrated COVID management system, this is from my Personal Department and E-Governance Department. Thank you very much for selecting this mobile app for WhatsApp bot and the mobile app for this award. Thank you very much. As you are aware that during COVID, the people were facing a lot of difficulty in locating where we can get the beds, what kind of where we can go for funeral. So all these problems they're facing. So this bot helped the people in locating where they can go. And I think that helped the people in the state. So thank you very much for selecting us.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Many congratulations.
So Digital Transformation in G2C Service presented to Department of IT and Electronics, Government of Uttar Pradesh for the project UPCM Helpline 1076.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kumar Vanik from UP Electronics Department. Thank you so much for this award, the entire team. I'm very, very grateful on behalf of the government of UP. Well, CM Helpline has been a very prestigious platform that we have been trying to develop, and it has come up very wonderfully, and it has helped people a lot. Thank you, the team of Governance Now, Shri Adhikari Brothers, to recognize our efforts and give us this prestigious award. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Digital Transformation in Digital G2C Services presented to Chhattisgarh State Electricity Regulatory Commission for the project CSERC Petition E-Filing Portal. Many congratulations.
I thank for selecting us for this prestigious award. I received this award on behalf of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Bhupesh Baghel, who is also our Energy Minister, Power Minister. He also always encourages us to do the work through e-governance. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Digital transformation in capacity building of government practitioner and disaster management presented to West Bengal Electronics Industry Development Corporation Limited for the project ICT at School and drone-based aerial surveillance of Ganga Sagar Mela 2021 for crowd management and minimize disaster events.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is Saurabh Officer here, General Manager and Chief Information Officer from WEBL. I am here on behalf of the Managing Director, Ms. Sunita Hazra. She is not here because of certain other official engagement. So, incidentally, we are very much thankful to the Adhikari brothers and the jury also for nominating WEBL in this particular prestigious event and conferring the awards to us in respect of the ICT project as well as the drone Ganga Sagar Mela. In fact, the ICT project, I'll just give you a short backdrop of it. It started in the year 2012 and we had around 7,500 schools getting implemented where we had undertaken the smart labs, total infrastructure revamping, as well as imparting trainings to the teachers as well as to the students. Also, we have been, very much efficient for, imparting course curriculum activity and designing the course for class 5 to class 12. So it is a very prestigious project for all of us. And incidentally, we are very much, eager to take up such type of assignment pan-India basis. So WEBL is transforming itself not only in the state of West Bengal, but to various other pan-India basis level. Also from the drone services in the Ganga Sagar Mela, we had achieved this particular milestone in the year 2021. And in the month of January, this particular services is being held. And it was incidentally a very much successful in this particular pandemic situation, how we sanitize, doing the particular crowd management, evading various disastrous events and all, and doing the analytics parts also was one of the biggest sort of an achievement which we have done in the drone Ganga Sagar Mela. And in this year also, in the year 2022 January, in the Makar Sankranti, generally it is held. We are trying to get this particular work activity done again in conjunction with the district magistrate as well as the disaster management and civil defense department. Thank you once again for conferring this award to WEBL, and we look forward to really take this opportunity and take WEBL to the zenith level also. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. Many congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Digital transformation in G2C and G2G services presented to Department of Electronics and IT, Government of Odisha for the project Odisha One and MO Sebha Kendra, Unified Citizen-Centric Portal. Once again, the digital transformation in G2C and G2G service presented to Department of Electronics and IT, Government of Odisha for the project Odisha One and MO Sebha Kendra, Unified Citizen-Centric Portal. Health presented to National Health Mission Himachal Pradesh for the project Digital Health Approaches, NCDs, Prevention and Control as Continuum of Care.
Good evening and thank you Adhikari brothers and the organizers and the team of e-governance for this prestigious award for the state of Himachal Pradesh. We started, the NCD screening in the state, and we were thinking that there is a huge population which cannot be covered manually. Now we have covered more than 55% of the entire plus 18 population under the digital record, and we wish to cover the entire 42 lakh people in next 2 years. And we will be very, very, happily doing the surveillance and follow-up of the entire population, maybe the screening part, maybe the risk surveillance and the information related to disease. I think this is a big, start. And I wish that in future, the digital transformation, it will be part and parcel of life. And I wish, the entire, the team, very, very, thankful. And I think that we will be learning a lot for future course of time. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations. Many congratulations.
Digital transformation in G2B service presented to Guidance Tamil Nadu for the project BizBuddy. The next award. Digital transformation in cybersecurity initiatives presented to Cyber Security Center of Excellence, Department of IT and Electronics, Government of West Bengal for the project Cyber Assurance Program.
Namaskar. Thank you so much for conferring this award on the Cyber Security Center of Excellence. This is Sanjay Kumar Das, the Joint Secretary in the Department of Information Technology and Electronics and the Member Secretary of Cyber Security Center of Excellence, West Bengal. Feeling honored to receive this award on behalf of the CSCOE. Thank you, Adhikari brothers. Thank you, Governance Now, to choose us and confer us with this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Das. Thank you so much for joining us.
Digital transformation innovation in telemedicine for COVID management presented to National Health Mission, Arogya Keralam for the project eSanjeevani Telemedicine Specialty OPD Services.
Thank you, Adhikari brothers, and thank you team for giving us this award. Actually, we have a good team of doctors who help the people during this COVID surge situation. There were people reaching this specialty OPD daily up to 2,000 in these OPDs. This has served the state well. We are trying to enhance or scale up the services. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, team.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us. Many congratulations.
Digital transformation in capacity building presented to Department of Rural Development and Panchayats, Government of Punjab for the project capacity building of ERs, officers and officials of PRIs and line departments through digital tools.
We are so delighted to receive this award on behalf of state government, Punjab state government, for capacity building of the elected representatives. Actually, Punjab is a peculiar state which is having too many elected representatives in the state as compared to other states because we have large number of gram panchayats. So we have provided e-learning platform, e-learning websites, and all the social media tools to the elected representatives to build their capacities to be a part of and to give them a way for strengthening of the local governance as well as decentralization as a mandate of 73rd Amendment Act of the Constitution. So I thank Governance Now Adhikari brothers for considering us for this award and conferring the award to us. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Digital transformation in smart health presented to National Health Mission, Jammu and Kashmir for the project Swasthya Nidhi Health Audit App.
Thank you, and Governance Now for conferring this award on our own homegrown IT innovation Swasthya Nidhi app, which proved to be a lifesaver during the COVID first year as well as the second wave. I, on behalf of NHM J&K and the Department of Health and Medical Education, extend my sincere thanks to Governance Now team for holding these awards and helping recognize all these organizations and departments working towards better healthcare scenario in the country. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Digital transformation in agriculture presented to Department of Agriculture, Government of Meghalaya for the project 1917 Integrated Technology Enabled Agri Management System.
Thank you so much, Team Governance Now, for accepting us into the award category and actually giving us a chance to win the award. On behalf of the Government of Meghalaya and the Department of Agriculture, Government of Meghalaya, we humbly receive this award. And 1917 I-Teams would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, the Honorable Minister in charge Agriculture, the Chairman of 1917 I-Teams Project Management Unit, the member secretary of 1917 iTeams PMU, the chairman and the ex-member secretary of the previous PMU, Mr. BK Solia, is sitting right next to me, and all the members of the previous PMU who have been heads of the various departments in agriculture and allied sectors. We would like to thank especially the service providers of 1917 iTeams, especially the Agri Response Vehicle and the pilots, who through their selfless act had come forward during the lockdown to rescue farmers' produce. And we would also like to thank all the registered farmers. We have with us around 88,000 at present, all the registered buyers and various entities who have been involved with 1917 iTeams from time to time. And last but not the least, I would also like to thank the entire staff of 1917 iTeams sitting here with us. It has been through their hard work and dedication that we have been able to reach where we are right now. Your award will only give us more motivation to perform better in the future. I would request Mr. BK Solia to also say a few words at this moment. Sir.
Thank you very much, Governors, now for considering and conferring upon the 1917 iTeams this prestigious award. As Mr. Gavin has said, that this award will further motivate the team to work much more and reach out to more people. Just for your information, 1917 iTeams, during the pandemic last year, was able to reach out to 22,000 families who were under quarantine to help them with their provisions so that they did not have to go out, nor were they inconvenienced in any way due to the national lockdowns that happened. And that is one very significant contribution which 1917 iTeams had done, in addition to relieving the distress of farmers, so much so that Meghalaya did not experience the kind of distress that perhaps many other states saw. Thank you very much once again for this award, and my entire thanks and credit. The credit for this goes to this entire team that has worked so hard to make 1917 what it is today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We can all see the team's effort, and thank you so much for the entire team for coming. You know, it really makes a lot of difference. Thank you so much. Many congratulations.
Digital transformation in cybersecurity initiatives presented to Center for Development of Imaging Technology, CDIT, Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of Kerala, for the project Hologram Embedded Security Registration Board with GPS, GPRS networking for seagoing vessels to augment the coastal security.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for inviting us for this award. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Digital transformation in cybersecurity initiatives presented to Department of IT, Government of Tamil Nadu, for the project Cybersecurity Architecture for Tamil Nadu CSCTN.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, sir. I'm very grateful to receive this award on behalf of Tamil Nadu IT Secretary and ELCOT Managing Director of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is one of the pioneers in setting up this cybersecurity architecture, and as you are aware of that, the government data is more precious data, so that whatever the data we are collecting, and we are coordinated with more than 150 plus departments, and we gathered the complete critical assets of Tamil Nadu, and we are monitoring as 24/7 to protect from the attacks after this COVID pandemic. And thanks for jury members and other members to provided this award, and once again thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Take care. Many congratulations.
Digital transformation in cloud adoption presented to Department of IT, Government of Manipur, for the project migration and hosting of all applications websites previously hosted at Manipur SDC to cloud platform.
Thank you very much for conferring this award to IT Department, Government Manipur. I'm Joint Director IT Robert Sharma. I will receive this award on behalf of our Director, Mr. Nambam Deven. And taking this opportunity, I would like to thank our Honorable CM, who is the IT Minister, and who has been guiding us in this long journey of adopting the cloud platform. So thank you again, Governance Now, for conferring this award to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sharma. Thank you.
Cybersecurity initiatives presented to Kerala State IT Mission for the Project Computer Emergency Response Team, Kerala. Moving on to the next award, Digital Transformation in Panchayat, presented to Sarpanch Village, Sahungra, Punjab, for the project Mobile App Digital Sahungra.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I'm receiving this award on the behalf of Mr. Raj Govinda Singh, which is the head of the Sarpanch of village, and he's transforming the village with their great efforts, and I'm coordinating them with the as a IT support. And thank you, Shri Adhikari Brothers Group, who are organizing such a beautiful and innovative idea sessions to us and enlighten us with the beautiful concepts.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Singh. Thank you. Many congratulations. Thank you for joining us.
So we are now moving on to the next category of awards, Smart City. Digital transformation in healthcare, presented to Agra Smart City Limited for the project Establishment of Smart Health Centers on PPP basis.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, organizers, for this prestigious award. This Smart Health Centers on PPP basis is one of the unique initiatives of Agra Smart City, where it has benefited more than 25,000 citizens already, and we are planning to scale up in more than 10 locations across the city. So this is a project in which more than 190 diagnostic tests are being made available to the citizens at CGHS rate. And it is especially benefiting the urban poor in getting high quality diagnostic services, almost at very reduced rate. For example, ECG at 40 rupees, blood test at 10 rupees, spectacles at 40 rupees. Many thanks for this recognition.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Menon, for joining us. And thank you for spelling out the initiatives. Thank you. Many congratulations.
Digital transformation in disaster management and smart health, presented to Pune Smart City Development Corporation Limited for the project Smart Elements Flood Analysis at ICCC and Hospital Management Information System.
Governance Now and Adhikari Brothers Group for recognizing the efforts made by Pune Smart City. This venture will be very helpful in predicting the flood situation in the city, evacuation, and thereby saving the lives in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Kolkar Saab. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations. Digital transformation in traffic management, presented to Tumakuru Smart City Limited for the project Integrated City Management Command Center.
And the Chief Executive Officer of Tumkur Smart City here. We are very delighted to receive this prestigious award from the governance. We are very thankful to governance for selecting this prestigious award, and we are also thankful to Government of India, Ministry of Housing and Urban Development Department, and Government of Karnataka for making us to rise such height level to receive this award. Thank you once again for the governance.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. Many congratulations.
Congratulations. Well, moving on to the next category, district level. Digital transformation in healthcare, presented to District Collectorate, Nagaur, Rajasthan for the project Silicosis Care.
Thank you so much, governance. Now a team for choosing us for this prestigious award. This is Dr. Sarwan Rao on the behalf of Dr. Jitendra Soni, IAS DM Nagaur. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Many congratulations.
Digital transformation in healthcare, presented to District Administration, Bongaigaon, Assam for the project Saubhagya. Digital transformation in healthcare, presented to District Administration, Bongaigaon, Assam for the project Saubhagya. Digital transformation in G2C and G2G services presented to District Administration, Mahbubnagar, Telangana, for the project Computerization and Digitization of Record Room of Mahbubnagar District.
Thank you very much for giving this award to the Mahbubnagar District for our project Record Room Digitalization. Thank you, Mr. Adhikari. Thank you all. And I must thank Mr. BMG Udyog Limited, who have taken nearly 50 lakhs pages they have digitalized in record time. Or nearly 67,000 files they have digitalized. All the collectorate people, thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rao, for joining us. Thank you. Many congratulations.
So with this, we have almost come at the end of this award function. If you want to share photographs of these award ceremony, you can share it at your social media handles using hashtag DTS Awards 2021 or DTS Awards at your Twitter or Facebook or any other, maybe Instagram or other social media platform. Our social media handles are at Twitter, Governance Now, and by Governance Now. At Facebook, it's Governance Now and Governance Now Events. At Instagram, it's governance_now, and at YouTube, it's SAB subgroup Governance Now and Events by Governance Now.
Thank you. Thank you, Purnima. And I once again like to thank all the winners. Digital India is a very important aspect and a very important policy initiative by the government of India. And after the pandemic, we have seen that the kind of importance that and the kind of reliance that we have placed on digital technologies, not only for basic functions, but also for our personal and professional lives. So with this, the 4th Digital Transformation Summit and Awards of Governance Now comes to an end, and the entire ethos and the aim behind doing this conclave is to talk about various digital initiatives, ICT initiatives in various spheres and various ecosystems of governance. And like to thank all the speakers who have joined us and the entire team at Governance Now for bringing together this conclave together. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much. It's been a quite productive day, quite power-packed discussions we had throughout the day, and with this, we have come to the conclusion of this day-long summit and award function. So till we come back next year with the 5th edition of Governance Now and Digital Transformation Summit and Awards, we say bye. Thank you for being part of this. Thanks for being part of this day-long summit and award function.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Purnima. Thank you. Thank you to the entire
Edition of Governance Now.